to the fast lane of decking. You're about to discover how the Pioneer decking clip and plug system makes installation smoother, faster and smarter. Let's get started. The chain-collated hidden clip system is designed to work with Pioneer decking. This isn't just convenient, it's essential. It's the only clip approved for warranty-compliant installation. This is the chain-collated fastener hand tool, your new best mate on site. Out of the box, it's Pioneer ready. No adjustments needed. Just set up the joist locator pin, load a strip of 15 clips, pre-fitted with stainless steel screws, and you're good to go. You can use it from both sides, so it's great for left-handed installs as well. Slide the tool onto the joist, guide it into the board groove and drive. Use a standard drill, no impact drivers. The screw locks in, twist the tool sideways and break the clip from the strip. The clip stays hidden. Simple. Each board locks in tight. No guesswork, no ugly surface fixings, and yes, you'll fly through installs. For top fixings or fascia boards, we use the Starborn Pro Plug system. This gives you a secure face fix, totally disguised with colour-matched plugs. Pre-drill your pilot hole, drive the screw using the setting tool, and wait for that satisfying click. That's the auto stop setting it to the perfect depth. Drop in the plug, tap it flush, and it's like the screws were never there. Precision. Clean lines? Job done. Space your clips 10 to 20 millimeters from board ends. Use 2 clips per joist. For max hold, 6 clips per square metre, which on a 480mm joist centre is 11 clips per board. And remember, let your boards acclimatise on-site to minimise movement. Expansion gaps? Pioneer boards move just 0.04mm per metre per degree. Use spacers or shims for perfect gapping every time. So that's it, Pioneer's chain, clip and pro plug system. Fast, precise and installer approved. For more guides, tips and tricks, visit talasey.co.uk and stay ahead of the curve.